Hi, this is my bike check. I've got a Odyssey Quadrant rim on the front with a sealed Sunday hub and a Odyssey Itacan tyre. I've got Fitbike forks and a Fitbike headset with vocal spacers. My stem is a Salt Plus top loader stem. My bars are Vocal Tweet XL bars, and I've got United Nathan Williams signature grips. The frame is United Voyage, and I've got Mutiny fat pivot seat. The pedals are Shadow plastic, Stolen sealed mid bottom bracket, Sputnik sprocket which is half blue and half raw. Sealed Sunday back hub with Odyssey Quadrant rim and an Odyssey Path tyre. Cranks are fit. Integrated seat clamp with the frame. Got a Odyssey Bluebird chain. And that's it. That's my bike.